No.
Okay, so this is
Box.
Lego puzzle box. What's inside?
Yeah, how does it work?
Yeah. So, see?
Okay.
You take out this thing.
See, first you need to take out this piece.
And look on top here. You see that light thing?
And then you just take it out.
Yeah, see? And you found that piece.
Yeah.
Right. And you can see as
Here.
there's
Something. Mystery. Mystery.
top there. See that? How it take it off?
See
like,
that
right
green
there?
thing? Yeah, this how you take it off.
Yeah, this is what it looks like at the top over here. You can turn it on. Turn on the lights. Okay.
And this how you take that green thing out right there.
Right there. Yeah.
Put it, just slide it to wrong size. If it's like this, wrong size. If it's like this, right size, and then you push this. Then you
Yeah, it falls out.
Okay.
So,
This how
inside over here.
this how
See
this
that rod over there?
You see this thing over here?
The rod.
See this?
See that rod? See that?
Circle there.
Yeah.
Put it there. Wait.
And that thing slides it.
Yeah, this thing first you need to
Yeah,
twist
that. Yeah.
Wait, that didn't work. That didn't actually work. So no, please. Okay, so twist it. Now you found this piece.
Yeah.
And this how
And
it
inside
works.
over here,
Yeah, inside over there. You want to
as you can see over here, there's like no. Inside there, you can see there's a 2 square piece with a plus sign. You want to see the plus sign? See with a plus sign.
There in a cup. And
You can see a rocket with
a
it.
cup piece. Yeah, this how and this
And this how you do it.
first.
See, there's a circle thing in there.
And then you just put it on. Right. Wait. Put it right there. Circle thing there. And then push it. Wait.
See,
You
the
need
rod
to
is.
push it.
Yeah, and look inside.
Look
Watch
inside.
it goes. Look inside how it goes.
Inside.
See, the rod goes.
Hey, you're blocking it. See,
See?
the rod goes right there.
Yeah, you see a little rod over there?
Where this goes. Here.
No, not like that. Like this.
That right there. And then you need to push it some more. Push it some more.
It pushes that
That's.
to make this come out.
And then.
Finally, you just put it there. You can see it though. Okay, so.
No. And then.
No!
Oh, Kuya. At first you get this piece. See this piece. Put it here. And then it pushes that trophy thing.
The
And
trophy
push
fell.
this. Okay, this is how it works.
Okay.